Nike's GT Cut 3 Turbo Coconut Milk fuses performance and summer-ready flair, arriving just after Rob Dillingham's Player Edition. This latest iteration delivers on both function and fashion, boasting a smooth cream upper complemented by a vibrant yellow outsole. A standout iridescent swoosh injects futuristic energy into the sleek design, while ZoomX cushioning in the heel provides the explosive responsiveness demanded by streetball athletes. Perfectly timed for summer runs, the shoe's ribbed textile construction and sculpted heel offer both comfort and lockdown stability. Channeling warm weather vibes, the coconut milk colorway hits the mark for seasonal sneaker rotations. Nike continues to build momentum within the GT series, combining next-gen technology with bold visuals in this eye-catching release. Though official launch details remain under wraps, anticipation is growing. Expect the GT Cut 3 Turbo Coconut Milk to surface soon on Nike.com and at select basketball retailers.